Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the mysteries of space. In this video, we'll be discussing the black hole paradox, one of the most intriguing and puzzling phenomena in the universe. First, let's define what a black hole is. A black hole is an extremely dense region in space, formed by the collapse of a massive star. It is so dense that it warps the fabric of space and time around it, creating a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. So, what is the black hole paradox? The paradox arises from the fact that black holes are believed to swallow everything in their path, including matter and radiation. However, the renowned physicist Stephen Hawking proposed a theory that challenged this notion. He suggested that black holes could emit radiation, known as Hawking radiation, and eventually evaporate over time. This means that the black hole not only absorbs everything, but it also radiates energy out into space, which seems contradictory. Another interesting fact about black holes is their size. Black holes can range from a few times the mass of our Sun to billions of times larger. The largest known black hole is estimated to be 40 billion times the mass of our Sun. Now, let's discuss the implications of the black hole paradox. If black holes do indeed emit radiation and eventually evaporate, it means that the information that was originally swallowed by the black hole is not lost forever. This is a significant breakthrough in our understanding of the universe because it supports the principle of conservation of information. Furthermore, the paradox has important implications for the field of quantum mechanics. It challenges the idea that information is lost in a black hole and supports the idea that information is preserved, even when it enters a black hole. This has significant implications for our understanding of the fundamental laws of the universe. In conclusion, the black hole paradox is a fascinating and complex topic that challenges our understanding of the universe. It raises important questions about the fundamental laws of physics and the nature of information in the universe. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this mysterious and intriguing phenomenon. Thanks for watching.